In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check Disney Plus server status and get back to streaming fast. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then type in Disney Plus server status and search for it. Now head over to the website Talent Detector. Recent status trackers show no widespread outage at the moment, which suggests most current issues are likely device or network specific. If there are outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. First, close the Disney Plus app. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then open it again. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data. Give a fresh restart to your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Enable airplane mode for about 30 seconds and disable it. Next, log out and log in back to your account. Recent Disney Plus outages cause login-related errors. Lastly, completely delete Disney Plus app from your device and reinstall it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.